Happy Diwali to all of you.
So I hope you all tried the Thukkada recipe that Tuma shared, both the atta and the maida ones.
Yeah.
Hope you liked it. Members and family liked it.
I'm sure they would have loved it, right?
So in continuation to that, Uma is going to show you one more Thukkada. One more amazing stuff. But this time, this is for your children.
Yeah, Raghu. Actually, everybody is preparing sweets just 1 week for Diwali, and everyone is preparing sweets. This is a different sweet because, Raghu, with the same dough which you make for Kara biscuit, similarly you can make a sweet also with it. So it's 2-in-1 benefit you get.
I love the sweet Thukkada.
Yeah. So it's very easy to make. It's a different snack. It's crunchy also, and it's very different. And children will love it. Not only children, everybody will love it. So
I like it.
So this Diwali, definitely make this sweet Thukkada.
So shall we go to Uma's kitchen?
Let's go to my kitchen. Let's make this delicious sweet Thukkada.
Come.
So to make the batter for sweet Thukkada, I am taking 1 cup of maida, that is all-purpose flour, pinch of salt. Okay, mix it. Next add ghee. This is 4 teaspoons of ghee. Mix it well. Next we are going to add water little by little. We need a soft and stiff dough. See, it's come together beautifully. Knead it just for around 1 minute. 30 to 40 seconds is enough. It becomes very soft. Now you can heat oil in the kadai so that by the time you shape the Thukkada, the oil will be ready to fry it. See, soft dough is ready now. So I have heated the oil and I am going to shape the Thukkada. By that time I am also going to keep sugar syrup. So for this you will need, so for 1 cup of batter, maida, I am using 1 cup of sugar. And just adding around 1/4 cup of water, and I am going to place it on low flame. So I am pinching the dough, dividing it into 2 halves, and now I am going to roll the dough. You can grease your working space or you can dust it with little flour. If you dust it with flour and make it, it will come out very easily for you. Roll out thin. You can make this with atta also, but when you make it with atta, the dough will break. But don't worry, it will come out well. I have shared how to make it with atta in the previous video, in the Kara biscuit video. You can check it out. Okay, now I have rolled it out. Now you cut them into small diamonds or square shape. You can use a knife to cut this, I have this cute roller, so I use this to make these biscuits. See, it looks pretty, right? So it's now ready. I'm going to cut the other portion also similarly. Once the oil is ready, I'm going to fry this. So the oil is hot. I'm just going to check by dropping one Thukkada. See, it has to instantly sizzle up like this. Must be wondering about the color of oil. This is because I have already fried a few items in this oil. That's why that color. See, beautifully it's cooked. So now our oil is ready. I'm going to fry all the Thukkadas. You can also see that my sugar syrup is getting ready. The sugar has to melt completely. It has not yet melted completely, and we need to get one string consistency. So by that time we can finish frying. Keep that flame sugar in low flame. Okay, now I'm going to gently drop. Since we have cut the pieces so small, it will fry very quickly. The sizzling will stop. Once it stops, we have to remove the Thukkada. If you are not comfortable doing this simultaneously, first fry the Thukkada nicely, and then we can keep the sugar syrup. See, looks gorgeous. The sizzling will stop like this, and it's time to remove the Thukkada. So now that our fried Thukkada is ready, I'm going to show you how we are going to make the sugar syrup. So the sugar and water, 1 cup of sugar and water, it has to come to a one string consistency. Okay. So this has been boiling on low flame. So once it starts bubbling like this, it's time to check whether once we have got the one string consistency. So for that you take a small bowl of water. Next, you take a few drops of sugar syrup and drop it into the water. See, you can see that the sugar syrup does not mix with water. If it does not mix with water, that means our one string consistency is ready. See, I'll show you. If you see, it does not mix with water. See, it's standing alone, it does not mix with water. This means our one string consistency sugar syrup is ready. You can also take a little bit of the syrup and place it between your index finger and your thumb and see if there is one string, but sometimes it might burn your finger. So this is a better way for you to check if it is one string consistency or not. So this is done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the fried Thukkada inside the sugar syrup. Mix it well, and over low flame we are going to keep mixing this. The gas has to be on low flame. going to take a different ladle. This one. Okay, and mix it up like this. Keep mixing over low flame. So till it becomes dry, we are going to keep mixing. You can see just a few more minutes and our Thukkada will be ready. You can see all the extra syrup, everything is absorbed. The Thukkada is well coated with the sugar. That's it, our Thukkada is now, sweet Thukkada is now ready. See, you can see how it's becoming. It's totally dry now. Still over low flame. That's it. Our sweet Thukkada is now ready. I'm switching off the gas. Looks gorgeous.
Waiting for Uma. She's going to come with garma garam fresh. Oh, here she is.
Here, Raghu.
Wow, looks fresh. Crunchy, melt in the mouth. Amazingly sweet.
Yeah, so easy to make, and see, look at the amount of compliments. You're sure to get lots of compliments.
Children are going to freak out. Huh? It's simply incredible.
Yeah.
Wow.
Addictive too. So
Really
do
addictive.
try this dessert this Diwali.
To hold my hands.
Waiting to hear all your feedback. We'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking.
Bye.
Bye. If you like this video, share this video with all your friends and family. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MasterChef Mom.